Hey, what's up guys? Adam Steele and Melanie here, over here at the Warehouse Gym. We had a few people ask us about how to set up on the belt squat, especially since we have the conventional spud belt and then our designer one that we built here, the cloud belt with several rings. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go through a couple of attachments and make sure that you guys know like the proper way to use it, and so you can benefit from the equipment that we have in-house. So go ahead and shall we demonstrate? Let's demonstrate. Okay, here we go. So you wanna start with the
first things first, this is trash.
Yeah. So the spud belt, yeah, is pretty much trash. Like, it's the industry standard. We designed the cloud belt because those things are terrible. And so, yeah, we're gonna go to demonstrate how you can use this one with much more support, comfort, with automotive upholstery, marine vinyl. So Mel's gonna set up.
Amazing 3-ring system for
Yes.
different heights.
And that's super key. So when you feel like it needs to be taller or shorter, there are 3 rings on each side, so you can actually adjust and clip in at different heights, so you do not have to put things under your feet. Super not necessary. And so, as you can see here, Mel's gonna go for the second ring, so you can see her lock in, and it's a carabiner situation. So as you can see, she can step into the machine, and she has great height with the 2-ring system, 3-ring system on the second ring. You can demonstrate, babe. Perfect. Perfect. Be able to stabilize and hold on to the front bar, the locking system, good tread, change position. Excellent. And the cloud belt, as you can see, we store the belts on the back of the machine. They don't necessarily need to go to a rack or anything because they stay proprietary to the machine. So it's totally fine leaving the belts here. Any other attachments, we ask that you put away just to make sense so they're not cluttering up the floor or becoming a hazard. And then Mel, if you would like to demonstrate a deadlift close grip and or row. Excellent. Doing a nice bent over row and a very stable and secure platform here with the belt squat. Fantastic movement. Yep, you try putting it on. Nice. You can see her performing RDLs, which is Romanian deadlifts. Nice, stiff legs, great form. Gotcha. Excellent. Nice. And that is how you perform some different movements like bent over rows, RDLs, and or properly using the cloud belt on the belt squat. So thank you so much, Melanie. And make sure you check it out, guys. Like and subscribe and hit the like button down below. Just do all the things and we'll keep doing this. All right.